All right, good morning. It is Thursday, and we are going to pick up a race car. So I'm just locking the shop, heading up to Eastern Tennessee to see Mike at Warrior Race Cars and pick up our 2025 Warrior Comanche. They're late model. Pretty excited. So, a little kind of vlog. Turn the lights off. So this should be fun. A little bit of a mini road trip. It's about 4 hours from here. Trailer's already left. I'm a little bit running behind the trailer, so I'll catch it up here in the next hour or so. And we'll go pick up a new race car. A little bit of a long drive, but we're here. I see one race car. About to go inside.
So I didn't pre-drill the four holes.
No, that's okay.
Because everybody's base is different.
Yeah, I expected to do a lot of that stuff.
Say hi, Adam.
Well,
That was.
hi, Adam.
There you go. That's pretty badass. Oh, so you're all in. What you got there, Tuck?
Motor plate. Like that.
Getting the last parts put together. Race cars in the trailer. Looked like it was going to rain, but it hasn't. So there's race car noses up there. Race cars in the trailer. Got moving. Alrighty, back in the race shop. And right there is the brand new race car. There it is. There it is. Let's get a good look at it. Inside the driver's compartment here. Nose pieces on. We've got the left side body just kind of sitting, hanging right now, just to kind of get a good visual of what we got here. So now we've got a bunch of work ahead of us. Start with the big mechanical stuff: brakes, steering, transmission, mid-plate, drive shaft, rear end, bird cages, getting my seat mounted, steering shaft in. We got a lot of brake work to figure out, gauges, tack, and water and oil and all that fun stuff. Got to put belts in. I got Butler belts that are going to go in it. Our shocks are ready to go. I'm going to smash them on my smasher. We smashed them at Warrior. Had Mike go through that with us, but there they are. Oh, there's my seat, and then here's the shocks right here. So, but I'm going to put them on my smasher, and that's going to give us a kind of baseline, and that way we can speak the same kind of numbers. We know, okay, my smasher's 5 pounds off or whatever compared to the smash that he put on those shocks. So that'll be good for us. I've never really had mine calibrated to another one, so I think that'll be really helpful to do. There's mine right there. Mine's a bottle jack smasher. He's got a AccuForce smasher. So we'll go through and smash all the shocks, get those numbers to Mike, kind of compare them, and then we'll start putting the car together here right away. My motor is right here, so we got to fit that. We'll have to check on the steering shaft area. That was some concern with the oil pan. Where Mike places the steering column, I think we might be okay. So that's something that we'll be working on. Here is right behind me, in front of me, I guess. Here's the parts cart that we've started for this car. Bird cages, steering rack, bell housing, control arms, spindles, more control arms, lift bar, transmissions under there. There's some of the windows for the bodywork, ball joints, clamps and brackets, I've got a couple boxes of rivets, a bunch of hardware, so plenty of parts that need to go here. So that's the next step. I'm waiting on a few things still, so we got that to wait for, but parts wise, but really gonna take our time, make sure that we're not gonna rush through this car. This is my first brand new race car. It's the first one we've had in a long time, so we're gonna take our time, make sure we get everything perfect, make sure we get everything dialed in correctly, hit the numbers that we need to hit on alignment and setup stuff, and then we'll come out of the gate, be good to go. See you on the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see us assemble this car now. This is kind of like part one of this year's car build.